Some See the Stars: A Mad Journey, written by Archana Rao-D'cruz. This book is a first-person narrative non-fiction that chronicles the lives of institutionalized children and traces the evolution of an organization called Make a Difference, MAD, that works with them. In 2006, MAD was founded to ensure equitable outcomes for institutionalized children. 2006 was also the year that Archana Rao-D'cruz moved to Kochi, joined MAD as a volunteer teacher, and began working at a street shelter for boys called Sneha Children's Home. Working with the young MAD volunteers gave her an insight into the making of the current generation of Indians. It was inspiring to see the passion and commitment that young Indians were capable of and their willingness to take on the daunting task of rehabilitating 20 million Indian children who are in need of institutionalized care. While this book is written primarily to bring the cause of institutionalized children into focus, it also shines the spotlight on those working relentlessly to make this a better world. About the author, Archana Rao-D'cruz grew up in Mumbai and has lived in different places in India. Her work with institutionalized children as a volunteer teacher with Make a Difference, MAD, has inspired Archana to share her experience and write her debut book. Archana lives in Kochi with her husband and two sons. Note: the incidents in this book are real and have been written down by the author to the best of her knowledge. While all facts and information shared has been duly verified and is accurate to the best of the author's knowledge, any inaccuracy in fact or record that may be found in inadvertent and unintended. As this is a real account, protection of original identities of certain individuals has been made a priority, which has motivated the author to use changed names to represent these individuals. Acknowledgements to the children at Sneha Children's Home and the volunteers at Make a Difference, MAD. This book and so much more has been made possible by your presence in my life. A special shout out to Kamal Nair, Tarun George, Kurvila Chako, Vaibhav Panbalia, Binny V.A., Sujit Worki, Gloria Benny, and Jidin Nadumala for your time and patience. Thank you, Jidin Krishnan, for sharing this journey with me. Thank you, Sumi Thomas, Dropcat Media, for all your creative inputs. All my writing comes from having had a mother whose idea of interior decoration was wall-to-wall bookshelves and a father who truly believed that women hold up half the sky. Thank you, Amma and Anna. I must not fail to thank my extended Rao and D'Cruz family, since they are likely to kill me if I forget to mention them. Finally, my eternal gratitude to the people who lend wings to all my dreams: Elvis, Ashwin, Johan, Viji, Shantanu, Chitra, and Srikanth. As critical and judgmental as we often must be, as much as we will have to correct, as truly as we must face unpleasant realities all of our days. Let us recognize and praise the thousands of beauties of life around us, the many wonderful examples of virtuous living, the strength and the courage of so many souls, the exceptional talents and achievements of our family members, neighbors, and associates, the countless blessings that we have been given, as has been quoted by so many, but seems to fit well here. Two men look out through the same bars. One sees the mud and one the stars. Frederick Langbridge.